Yo guys, welcome back to another episode of Fishing Adventures with Tash and Fenno, No Worries Lifestyle. This is day 2 of fishing fun with the family.
Good job.
Stay tuned because the fish are just jumping everywhere while we're on the bank, even later on when we're in the boat with Fenno's uncle and his nephew. So keep watching guys, because we do all sorts of fishing in this episode and the kids just have an absolute ball. So enjoy! Yeah, babe.
These are the same style of the ones.
For those that are wondering, how do Tash and Fenno go fishing every single bloody day whenever they want? Well guys, 4 years ago we started a high ticket affiliate marketing business, creating our own brand and business online. Fenno was working away from our family on the rail, and we knew something had to change when our little boy started screaming and crying and running after the car. So we made a change, we jumped into the online space, and here we are today, 4 years later, moved back to Fenno's hometown, and now we get to fish every day with our boys and family. So if you would like more information on how you could build a life with more freedom, hit that send message button or jump on over to our social page, No Worries Lifestyle, and let's see if what we do is the right fit for you too. It's a start, it's a start. One a minute. Hey, go Colin, it's your job to put them in the bag.
So how do I kill them?
How do you kill them? Yeah. See that little, this little part right here. You got to break that. It is hard. Just pull it forward. Or pop it back. There you go. Sit it between you and I.
Oh,
You're gonna have a throw, Curlin.
I never have a friend or a fight my whole life. That's what I know. Mom was not in.
Shut up! Holy, what is that?
You got the cat!
Holy.
Oh, really? Oh,
Oh,
God.
look how big they are.
Oh.
Holy.
They're more big than the one. Oh, we're catching the jack.
Whole leg.
How long is that?
How long is it, Curlin?
It's
Put his head at the zero. Here, head at the zero. Down this way.
60.
Holy. They're jumping all around you now.
Oh.
Oh, we're getting closer. I think this is about where we started yesterday.
Every time we just cover the spot now, every like when it's a big space. But all the ones. Big one.
Open the bag up.
Open the bag up.
Not imagining. The zero. Oh.
Here.
6.
Here, no. You're too high up. Too high. You're still too high. There.
Oh. 6. That's 65. 65. Now this one's big. This one wins.
Oh, you missed the bag.
This one wins the jack. All the girls are big. Yep, got him.
The big ones will rip that net. You want the smaller ones. go get some.
Holy
Oh,
mother.
oh.
Technic,
I
technic,
think it's
technic.
more. I think it's more bigger.
Poor Boba.
You're hilarious.
Nice moment. Now we got three. One.
Wait, who's we? Who's we?
We got three. I mean, not
Auntie getting taken out by fish in the sea. Getting taken out by sinkers from your head.
Go get him, man. Get him. Come on.
Evening, Natasha.
Pardon? Have we been in there? No.
Is it
What's
cooking?
that baby on?
Probably.
Nessie, right?
Yeah. Oh, that's what.
I knew that. Yeah. Right, come back now. I'm feeling up. Oh yeah.
Hey!
No, you got him.
Oh, he's in me. Yeah, it's in the net. It's in the net. Yeah. I didn't know what was bloody jumping in the boat. What the heck? Yeah. Then I can't see your smiling face.
What? Dad.
Alright, show me makan. Cheese. Ah, cute.
Look at the big eggy.
Massive.
Nah, not fine with this.
I thought something spiked me before.
get a photo of this, right?
The move.
Right, Carly.
Go, Kellen. Go on. Tell him how he's supposed to do it.
Go like this. Go underneath it. Fucking
That bigger.
It's really cold.
They're cold.
Yeah, this is hard.
I'm pretty impressed,
I never-
Kellen. Yeah. All you've been doing is watching Uncle. Show him. Show him.
Belly button.
Put it in my cuff.
Go, Kellen. Loving our family fishing videos? Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can stay up to date with what we do next. Also, if you have a family and friend who love fishing just as much as we do, why not share our page? Much love, yo yo!